So guys, if you want to change the default display language on Twitter or X, how can we do that? It's very simple. All you have to do is just go to the left corner where it says more. Just click here and click on settings and privacy. And on your account, we have a lot of settings here, but on the top we have your account, and on the right hand side we have the subcategories. Here we will choose account information. And in order to make some of the changes in account information, you might need to confirm the password just to make sure that it's you. Let me just quickly enter that and click on confirm. And from here, if we scroll down a little bit, we can see that the default language is set to English. We can change that to any other language. Just click here, and in the display language, you can choose any language that you want. So for example, Arabic. And if I click on save, it will reload X, and now as you can see that it is completely changed into Arabic. If you want to switch it to English, you also have the Google Translate feature enabled. You can change it to English. Just in case I want to change my settings back so that I can recognize all the settings. But as you can see, now it's right to left and not left to right. So I can click on more settings, go to the same area. Now from here we can change the language back, but just make sure that you completely know the area before even translating it to other language. Otherwise you won't be able to read it. So click here, it will reload, and now it is back to English. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified of all the future videos. Take care.